Hello IOQM qualifiers. The RMO exam is just around the corner, scheduled for Sunday 16th November. And I hope you have kept up your IOQM momentum and your preparation is going strong. But remember, these final few days can make all the difference between a good performance and a great result. So it's very crucial how effectively you utilize the remaining days and focus what really matters. Do not worry and waste your time figuring out what to study or which topic to prioritize. We have done that for you. In this video, we break down the analysis of RMO previous year question papers, highlight key topic trends and share a smart focused revision plan to help you gain that extra edge in the final stretch. Let's look at what RMO has been asking in the recent years. So start with RMO 2024-25. In this particular year, there were 2 questions from each geometry and number theory. And there was 1 question from each combinatorics and algebra. Let's talk about RMO 2023-24. In this particular year, similarly, there were 2 questions from number theory and geometry. But there was 1 question from combinatorics and inequality. In RMO 2019-20, we can see that we have the similar trend as we discussed for RMO 2023-24. In between few years, RMO exam was not held. Instead, IOQM was conducted because of COVID. Now let's talk about the analysis of RMO 2018-19. In this particular year, 2 questions were from geometry and 1 question was from each number theory, algebra, combinatorics and inequality. So on the basis of all these analysis, we can conclude that geometry and number theory your must master areas. And combinatorics appears almost every year. And there is usually 1 problem from algebra or inequality, sometimes even from both. Now let's discuss smart revision plan for remaining days. First, focus on geometry and number theory, as these 2 units carry highest weightage in RMO exam. So practice as many questions from important topics and make sure solve all PYQs. Second, give time to combinatorics, algebra and inequality and practice numerical questions on those concepts which you have already prepared during IOQM. Do not rush for new topics or concepts and don't forget to solve PYQs on these 3 units as well. Third, practice 1 full-length mock test in alternate day under timed condition. Fourth, write step-by-step solution just you will do in actual exam. Fifth, after every test, analyze your mistakes, like if you missed steps, made hidden assumptions or misread conditions. Try to fix those patterns. That's how you improve fastest. Remember, RMO is not just using shortcut and getting the answer. It's about clear and step-by-step reasoning. Now, the final tips. The RMO builds on what you have already prepared for IOQM. And the difficulty level of RMO and IOQM is almost same. The only difference between these 2 stages is way of approaching the question and writing the answer. So I can assure one thing, do not panic and stay confident on the syllabus and difficulty level part. Second, you are an IOQM qualifier and you have already crossed 1 major milestone. That's proof you belong here. So just keep up this momentum. Keep your mind calm, focused, sleep well, stay consistent, avoid rushing into new topics and try to solve quality problems daily with structured reasoning. And the most important thing, on exam day, take a deep breath and remind yourself, I have prepared for this and I can do this. That's all about RMO 2025. Trust your preparation, believe in your journey and give your absolute best on 16th November. All the very best for RMO 2025.